Brave Sisters and the Village of Harmony. Once upon a time, in a village called Harmony, there lived two brave sisters, Amina and Layla. The village was peaceful, surrounded by beautiful hills and rivers. The people of Harmony were kind and always looked out for one another. However, there was one problem in the village. Girls and women often felt unsafe when traveling alone, especially at night. Amina, the elder sister, was known for her courage and leadership. Layla, the younger one, was gentle and wise. They loved their village, but were saddened by how some of the girls were afraid to go to school or walk to the market without feeling uneasy. The sisters decided that something needed to change. One day, the sisters gathered all the girls and women in the village to discuss the issue. "We need to protect each other," Amina said firmly. "If we stand together, we can make sure everyone feels safe and empowered." Layla suggested, "Let's form a group that helps girls walk home safely, and let's educate the village about respect and equality." The idea quickly gained support. The group was called the Circle of Protection. And it wasn't just for girls. It was for everyone who believed in fairness and safety. The sisters taught self-defense classes and spread awareness about the importance of standing up for one another. They also spoke to the village leaders about improving the lighting in dark areas and making the roads safer for everyone. As more people joined the Circle of Protection, the village began to change. Boys and men also learned about how to support and protect the girls and women in their community. They became allies, realizing that respect and safety were rights that everyone deserved. The village of Harmony became a place where no one had to fear walking alone, day or night. Soon, other nearby villages heard about what Amina, Layla, and their group had accomplished. They came to Harmony to learn how they could create their own circles of protection. Amina and Layla were proud of what their village had achieved. They knew that by working together, they had made their home a safer, stronger, and more united place. The sisters' bravery and determination showed everyone that when girls stand up for themselves and are supported by their community, they can create a world where everyone feels protected and valued. Moral: protecting one another is a shared responsibility. By standing together, we can create safe, supportive environments where everyone is treated with respect and dignity.